Hi, it's Emily from WTI. I'm going to introduce you to the cutest camping accessory you have ever seen, and the most practical. These are the Hiromeco string camping lights, and they are just the best. They have several modes and such a cute feature on the inside. Inside this light, you can use this little tab, and you can pull out over 30 feet of string lights. Who doesn't love string lights when they're camping? They make just the cutest accessory for around the entrance to your tent or your camper or anything around your campsite. But you know the really inconvenient part of string lights is that they get all tangled up and they're such a mess to store. But these solve all of those problems. When you have the lights strung out, you simply use this handle on the back to retract them, and everything is stored inside the light. So you have both the convenience of one nice camping light that can hang in your tent with 3 different modes, or you have 30 feet of string lights. This design is just ingenious. When the lights are fully extended, obviously this center light is less bright because most of this is made up from the string lights. However, they also have a built-in emergency light, so you can go to that mode as well, which is not dependent on the string lights. We have had so much fun with these in our overlanding camper, and they really elevate the mood, the decor, and the whole vibe of camping. These are also very thoughtfully designed to be waterproof, drop-proof, and rechargeable with a USB-C cord. Literally, they thought of everything in this design. I am obsessed with these Hiromeco camping lights, and I think you will be too. But that's my point of view.